Let's talk contour. So contour is all about an illusion, whereas bronzing is all about giving warmth and a sun-kissed look to your face. They are very different. So a lot of people get them misunderstood, and they get them confused and often call contour bronzing, and they have it all over their face, and that's incorrect. So contour is an illusion of sculpting and lifting your face. And if you're a woman over 40, you're gonna love this technique. So let me show you some simple ways to contour your skin that doesn't take a lot of time, and it's fast and it looks soft and natural. Heavy contouring looks great on camera, whereas in person, you look scary. So when you see people like celebrities, people on TV with heavy contouring, they're using high definition TVs and they're using lighting. It's supposed to look heavier because they're on camera, but in person, it does not look as good. I like to use powder contour. It's very natural looking, and there's a couple tools I like to have for contour. One is the Mary Kay cheek brush. I call it the 3-in-1 cheek brush because you can use it multiple different ways. Next is a blending eyeshadow brush, and then the smudger brush. And make sure they're clean. I'm going to show you my favorite quick way of cleaning them as well, so stay to the end. Okay, so I like to take, this is called the Latte Contour Powder. This is good for my skin tone or slightly darker. If you are a bronze beauty, we have a darker one for you. So when it comes to contouring, applying it higher is more important. If it's too low, it's going to make you look saggy and drawn down. Contouring your cheeks and your jawline are so much more important than contouring your nose. It's simple. You want to contour your hairline, your jawline. You can contour your nose. We'll do that in a moment. And your jawline is really important, especially as we get older. We lose definition through here, and we often can look a little saggy and more like a unified neck and jawline. So this really will help your jawline look more defined. Now, this is where I like to use my other tools for contouring. I'm using the smudger brush to contour my nose. I'm also going across the tip of my nose because I prefer my nose to look smaller. If you highlight the tip of your nose, it's going to make it look longer, and I don't like that. I also don't like shiny nose on me, so I prefer doing a contour instead, but it's personal preference. Next, I'm going to use the blending brush to make sure that you cannot see this line. If you can see a line, that means you haven't blended, and that means you did not do it correctly. So it's all about looking soft and not stripy, okay? So make sure you have a tool to blend your contour, okay? There you go. It's that easy. Look at this difference between this. I think my nose is running. I'm gonna get like a mixture of like my nose running into the makeup. Oh my goodness. Okay, back to makeup blending. So you can see I blended my nose. I only have one side done and the tip done. Next, did you also know that your eyes can be contoured? So if you like minimal makeup and you just want to keep things super simple, you can take that same blending eye brush and apply your contour right through the crease of your eye, because your crease is considered a contour spot. If you have a hooded eye, you really want to contour that because you want to just give the illusion of having a crease. And the way you do that is you go above your crease, above, 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 and that gives you the illusion. This side of my face is gently and softly contoured, perfect for a woman in her late 40s like me, and this side has nothing. Can you see how this side looks more sculpted? My cheekbones look like it's more brought in. I look thinner on this side of my face. That's what contouring does. And yes, you can still put your blush on. You don't skip that step. You want to still apply it right over top of that contour you did. I'm just using a really natural color, and you see I'm also applying that high on my cheek also because I want my skin to look lifted and not saggy and drawn down. So I just put a little mascara on this side of my face so you can bring it all together, and you can see how this side of my face looks significantly more thin. It looks sculpted and it looks more narrow, and my eyes look more lifted. So if you're looking for a solution for fast, easy makeup, you could just start with some contour and really utilize the simplicity of that to give you an elevated look and to help you feel a little bit more confident in the morning. If I can help you, send me a DM.